In this video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to a Replit app. First, sign in to your Replit account and open the project you want to publish. Make sure your application has already been deployed before connecting a custom domain. Next, open the deployment section for your app and select your active deployment. Look for the custom domain or domains option and click Add Domain. After that, enter the domain name you want to use and follow the instructions provided by Replit. You'll need to update your domain's DNS settings by adding the required records through your domain registrar. Now, save your DNS changes and wait for the records to propagate. This process may take a few minutes or several hours, depending on your domain provider. Once the DNS records are verified, Replit will automatically connect your custom domain to your application. Finally, open your custom domain in a web browser to make sure your app is loading correctly. If needed, return to the deployment settings to verify the domain status or make additional changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a custom domain to a Replit app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.